Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up your HP DeskJet 2855e all-in-one printer step by step for the first time. By the end of this video, your printer will be fully installed and ready to print, scan, and copy. So let's get started. Step 1. First, remove the printer from the box carefully. Now, remove all tapes, stickers, and protective packing materials from outside the printer. Next, lower the output tray. Open the ink cartridge access door. Remove all protective tape and cardboard from inside the printer. Close the ink cartridge access door. Now, open the scanner lid and remove the protective film from the scanner glass. Make sure all packing materials are completely removed before turning on the printer. Step 2. Now, connect the power cord to the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a wall power outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Wait until the printer becomes idle and silent before moving to the next step. Important note: do not connect the USB cable at this time. The connection will be completed later using the HP Smart app. Step 3. Now go to 123.hp.com. Download and install the HP Smart app on your computer or mobile device. Open the HP Smart app. Click on Add Printer. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your printer to Wi-Fi. The HP Smart app will guide you through the remaining steps to set up automatically. Signing up for HP Instant Ink is optional and depends on your region. Step 4. Raise the input tray. Slide the paper width guide all the way to the left. Insert a stack of plain white paper into the tray. Now slide the paper width guide to the right until it touches the edge of the paper. Lower the output tray. Pull out the tray extender. Make sure the correct paper size is selected in printer settings before printing. Step 5. Open the ink cartridge access door. Remove the black ink cartridge from its package. Hold the cartridge from the sides only. Remove the protective plastic tape carefully. Important: do not touch the copper contacts or ink nozzles. Insert the black cartridge into its slot until it clicks into place. Repeat the same steps for the color cartridge. Now close the ink cartridge access door. Step 6. After installing the cartridges, the printer will automatically print an alignment page. Lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page face down on the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. Press the copy button to scan the alignment page. Once alignment is complete, your printer setup is finished. Your HP DeskJet 2855e all-in-one printer is now ready to use. Step 7. Open the HP Smart app. Select your printer. Tap Print Documents or Print Photos. Print a test page to confirm everything is working correctly. If the test page prints successfully, your setup is complete. And next, troubleshooting tips. If your printer is not detected during setup, restart your printer. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Make sure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then reopen the HP Smart app and try again. And that's it. Your HP DeskJet 2855e all-in-one printer is now successfully installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup tutorials. If you still face any issues during setup, installation, Wi-Fi connection, or printing, you can contact our support team anytime. Our experts are ready to help you. Thanks for watching.